My legs are so dry.
Why is that, Katie?
It's winter, and I have a theory.
Okay, I'm listening.
In the winter, I wear pants because it's cold out.
Yep.
And I think the pants are sucking all the moisture out of my legs.
Okay, does this sound like you? Well, today we'll show you how to make a circulation body butter.
It'll moisturize your skin and get your blood flowing.
So let's go.
For this recipe, you will need half a cup of solid coconut oil and half a teaspoon of beeswax, and 2 tablespoons of avocado oil, 25 drops of Clary Sage oil,
This is a new oil for us.
50 drops of whole wood essential oil, and 30 drops of lemon essential oil.
All right, so what do we do first?
To start, we're gonna put the coconut oil and beeswax in the double boiler to melt.
All right, do you have my handy dandy spatula?
I sure do.
Ta-da!
Behind the back.
All right.
Here you go, madame.
All right. So you need just these 2 ingredients first?
Yep, we're gonna melt those, and we're adding the avocado oil after because it's already liquid, and it'll help cool this down a little bit faster.
Gotcha.
Happy birthday, Shyla. For your birthday, would you like body butter?
And another cat.
Ooh. Yeah, a good combo.
Crazy
Just
cat
don't-
lady combo.
Just don't put the body butter on the cat.
Yeah. Or after, never mind. There's cat hair everywhere. I was gonna make a comment about that, but nothing came to mind. Okay, good.
Boom. Now that this is melted, we're gonna go ahead and add it to a different bowl. And we're gonna add the avocado oil and essential oils. So go ahead, 2 tablespoons avocado oil. Avocado oil is a carrier oil. It helps penetrate through skin tissues, and it will moisturize your skin too.
2 for the price of 1.
All right, and then go ahead and add the essential oils as well.
All right, so how many of each?
25 drops of Clary Sage.
Smells so good.
Nice, that one was quick.
Yeah, it was way
Yeah,
faster.
lemon's a pretty thin oil.
Yeah.
All right, give it a swirl, a stir, and then we're gonna set this aside to cool down, and we're gonna wait until it totally solidifies, and then we're gonna whip it up.
So we will be back.
So now that our body butter has solidified, we can go ahead and whip it up, and I'm just gonna loosen it just a little bit to make it a little bit easier to start the whipping process.
It's pretty hard already.
Yeah. All right, and I like to use a stick blender to mix it up because we're just making a small amount, and it's just like the perfect size. Woohoo! hold your arms steady.
All right.
And then mix it, and then here we go.
Pretty creamy.
All right, so now that it is super creamy, it's ready to go. And we'll go ahead and put this in a sealable container, like this one. If you find that your body butter loses its consistency, just grab a spoon and whip some air back into it by stirring it, and it will become its fluffy self again.
Yay!
Don't forget to label it. And to check out more recipes like this,
Go to simplyearth.com and check out our blog, and don't forget to check out our recipe box.
yep, our recipe box comes with everything you need to make this recipe and more. I think you're really gonna like it.
See you later!